Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Quiverheart Nature Preserve in Steam Furnace, Ohio, just off State Route 32 next to Peebles. Now at Quiverheart Gorge, we took the Quiverheart Falls Trail. The trail winds between the canyon floor and the upper rim of the gorge. You get to see anything from beautiful sceneries like the waterfall, canyon floor, the dense covered spring wildflowers, steep-sided gorge walls, and a Boulder City. Oh, did I mention the view? The view is absolutely spectacular. I love this view. In Boulder City, you get to see, it's just tons of boulders. Years of fallen rock. We hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.